What's good, gang? It's your boy Key, aka Sneak Killer 215. Can I get a... Alright, see, I got time on my hands today, man, so I'm dropping videos on you guys. You know what I'm saying? So today, I got this box right here. It's a surprise for you guys, man. If you follow me on TikTok, you've seen this box before, you feel what I'm saying? Because I posted this as soon as I got it. Every time I get a shoe, TikTok, okay? Follow me on TikTok. That's the only way you get to see what's coming up on the channel and what's not coming up, you feel what I'm saying? Or any kind of new purchase, you feel what I'm saying? I hit up TikTok first before I hit up YouTube. I hit up all my social media first before I hit up my YouTube. So go ahead and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. I don't even think I have Twitter. No, I don't got Twitter. So follow me on TikTok, Instagrams, and I think I have Facebook. Yeah, so this is it, man. Look at this box. Look at this box, man. Just take a good look at this box, man. Beautiful box, right? So this is the Jordan 6 Retro, okay? I also have a Jordan 6 over here. Now this is the Midnight Navy. See, this one's the Midnight Navy, right? Look at that. That's the Midnight Navy. I haven't done a video on this yet. I wore it like 2 times, I think. But yeah, I haven't done a video on this yet, but the video's coming up, man, trust me. Yeah, it's my Jordan 6, man. My J6, you feel what I'm saying? Put that joint back in the box where it belongs, you feel me? So it don't get no creases or nothing like that because it do have a clear sole. Now I don't want that clear sole getting all yellow out real quick. I'm behind on videos, like Lil Key, to be honest with you guys, I have over 30 pairs of shoes over here that I have to do videos for. I be having too much going on, you feel what I'm saying? So whenever I'm free, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out from somewhere in there one of them shoes I have in here somewhere to do a review on. But yeah, back to this, man. The OG box, man, Jordan 6 Retro. This is the Air Jordan 6 Retro size 9.5, which is my size. Of course, you feel me? I really love this box. Got a little whole thing right here, boom. Dude, look at this, he opened the box. So we have some tissue paper over here, boom. You can see that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the suede material on this. Look at this. Got this from Nike.com, okay? Nike.yeah, of course. You feel me? Oh yeah, like Jay the Sneaker Guy does, I'm gonna start doing the same thing too. Just so you guys know, everything I ordered and everything I have is authentic. You feel me? Sticker right there shows you this real authentic. You feel me? Nike.com, man. And the sticker right there too. Right there. Don't play with me. Let me break this down real quick before we get off topic, like always. You feel what I'm saying? We have the Air Jordan 6 Retro Gray, man. I think it's called Georgetown or something like that. But anyways, yeah, man, we had the Air Jordan 6 right here. We got this navy looking color right there. The whole shoe is suede, okay? The whole entire shoe is suede and nubuck, I think. Yeah, got the Air Jordan right there. Jumpman action right there on the heel, okay? We have the pull tab right here. It's not flimsy, okay? Sturdy, you feel what I'm saying? Thick as hell, sturdy. You feel me? Got the little wing over here, this cushion area, box area, I don't know what this is called, but this is like your ankle bone support area right here. Nice looking, okay, got the little breather holes in there. All the perforation holes and everything looks pretty smooth, in my opinion. This shoe is very, very fire, in my opinion. I can't go wrong with this. I'm glad I got this. Shout out to Scotty. Yes, sir. Really, it's not much to say about this shoe. It's a great shoe. You feel what I'm saying? Everything about this shoe is great. You feel me? We got the bottom right here, which is like, got the icy bottom right here. Got a little air hole right there. Okay. We got gray action on the heel. Okay. Jumpman on the bottom. Okay. Got the waffles and stuff. It looks like a lightning, whatever waffle, whatever thingy thing. Look at the bottom of this traction. Look at that. Look at that traction. Beautiful traction. I would not ball in these. Okay, I don't think these are comfortable to ball in, but it is comfortable to walk around in. Very comfortable shoe. This is one of my favorite Jordans of all time. You feel what I'm saying? Comes with tissue paper, bro. Not no cardboard shoe tree. Okay, we got navy on the bottom. We got a Jumpman, and it says 9.5 on the sticker right there. The sticker is coming undone because it's factory brand new. You feel what I'm saying? They just put the sticker in there, just like that. Boom, sticker. Everything is how it's supposed to be. Got a Jumpman in there, little navy Jumpman, and shoe tree. Yeah, man, I really love these shoes. So comfortable. On feet is coming. I can't really stress how nice this shoe is. It's built perfectly fine. Like it's sturdy, bro. Like comparing this to my midnight navy. Come on out here. Comparing this Georgetown, I think it's called Georgetown. I'm not really sure what it's called, but yeah, Georgetown. Comparing this to this right here, man. I got a lot of wear out of it. Well, 2-3 wears out of this. But this right here, bro, I'm gonna I'm gonna destroy this thing, bro, because I'm gonna rock the heck out of this shoe right here. And I know it don't seem like I rock my shoes like that, but I really do rock my shoes. I rock everything I own, you feel what I'm saying? Everything. I don't just buy stuff just to have it sitting, you feel what I'm saying? I rock everything I own. As soon as I have a fit that goes with it, it's on my feet, you feel what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Which reminds me, I'm gonna start dropping some pictures and stuff like that on my Instagram. So go ahead, follow the Instagram page for this YouTube channel. It's called SneakKiller215. That's the Instagram page, man. SneakKiller215. Same name, same everything. Go ahead, follow your boy on there, man. And we're gonna start taking some photography pictures and modeling in these shoes and stuff like that. So Nike. Hit your boy up, man. Shit, I could be a model or whatever. You feel me? Yes, sir. I'm really excited about these, man. I'm more so excited about these than I am about this. You feel what I'm saying? I do like this a lot, but I have a lot of white shoes. So like, yeah, this gray right here, it's gonna set the tone for me, man. I really appreciate you, Scotty, for getting these for me. Thank you so much, man. But yeah, these shoes are amazing, man. Can't go wrong with it. I have a lot of fit that actually goes with this. So yeah, check out my Instagram, man. You're gonna see me rocking these a lot, okay? A lot. Like I said, I have over 30 pair of shoes to do videos on. I haven't done a video on them yet, but the video's coming. There's more stuff coming out. Like we got we have some kind of 4s coming out soon. We got some 1s coming out soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully I win. If I don't, it depends on how much I really like the shoe or how much I really want the shoe. If I see Jay the Sneaker Guy do a video on it and it's like super fire on feet, I'm probably gonna get it from GOAT or StockX. Hey man, say man, I like what I like, you feel me? And I don't care about paying no retail or resale, you feel me? I don't care about that. But yeah, man, that's about it. Enough of me, Key, you feel what I'm saying? You guys go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, okay? Drop your comments, okay? I know I haven't dropped a video like back to back in a minute, so YouTube's kind of like blowing my videos out of the algorithms and stuff. So I'm trying to get back on rhythm of doing a video every other week or every couple days or so, you know what I'm saying? Because I do have the material to do the video on, like, you feel me? I just be having too much going on, okay? So yeah, man, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Leave a comment, okay? These shoes right here are amazing, all right? I don't think I broke this shoe down enough how it's supposed to be broken down, but go ahead, hit up my man Jay the Sneaker Guy. He got a more in-depth video of this shoe right here. I don't have the time like that to go into details and everything about this shoe. This is a beautiful shoe, amazing shoe, you feel what I'm saying? I'm definitely stoked about this shoe right here. Oh yeah, I did a video on these, by the way. If you didn't check it out, go ahead and check it out right now. This video right here is super fire, super fire. This shoe right here is super fire, super fire. Didn't get no wear out of it yet, but I plan on getting the wear out of it, okay? Next video is probably gonna be about time I do a video on these, man. About time. This is so bright, in my opinion. Okay, but yeah. See you guys, man. Catch you guys next time. Make sure you eating good. Make sure you exercising daily. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you're drinking a lot of water. Make sure you're keeping up with yourself, man. Friends, family, all that. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Check on somebody you know. Check on your loved one. Check on somebody. Check on somebody. Like, call somebody. Check on them. Make sure you let them know that you love them and stuff. Thank you guys for checking up on me, man. I'm straight. Hopefully you guys are straight, okay? I'm signing out.